we haven't met before, my name is Misty and I am a manifesting coach. And for the next 30 days, we are helping with helpful tips to stay positive in a negative time. Negativity breeds cortisol in your body. I've heard several doctors on television mention that negativity and being stressed out and having anxiety will actually make you sick or sicker faster. So what we want to try to do is to keep things happy and light and positive in a time where everybody needs a little tiny bit of a ray of sunshine. I have a special guest today that sent us in a video that I asked her. She's such a great organizer, and I feel like people have this huge amount of time right now and they don't really know what to do with it. So I asked Miss Kay to make us a video, and here it is for you today.
Good morning, this is Kay with Make My Space, and I'm here to speak to you today about this crazy upside down world we find ourselves in this morning. It seems to get crazier by the day. It's like the earth has tilted off its axis, but it will tilt back and we will all be fine. But I wanted to speak to you about keeping yourself busy. A lot of you are now homebound. You can't go out. You can go out in your yard, which is very healthy, get some sunshine. But you find yourself with a lot more time on your hands than you know what to do with. You can binge watch TV. I don't suggest that. I suggest that you use this time to your advantage to make a difference in your environment, that when this craziness is over, you have some benefits from it. You have some benefits from your nervous energy. I would suggest you choose a project and start. It might be a closet, it might be a drawer, it might be a pantry. But where I started was with my refrigerator and freezers. I took everything out of my freezers. I have two, one in the house and one outside. I took everything out and categorized it, threw away the items that were no longer good. And inside the house, I have only things that needed to be heated up. They're already fully cooked. They just need to be warmed or thawed. And in the outside freezer, I have everything else. The meat and the poultry, I have that in a brown paper bag so it doesn't get mixed in with everything else. And then I have the vegetables in another brown plastic bag. I also have put out their bread and milk that I understand you can freeze. I would unfreeze the bread a little at a time. I wouldn't unfreeze the whole loaf at a time. But that way you can take inventory of what you have. You're probably going to be surprised that you have a lot more than you thought you did, which is comforting right now if you can't get to the store. After that, I would move on to my pantry and do the same thing. If anything's outdated, I would toss it. Unless the expiration was just very recent, I would hold on to it just till this is over. But organize your food so that you know what you have. You're not in a panic to buy a lot of things you're not going to need. And if you do buy items, make sure they have a long shelf life so that when this is over, they will still be beneficial to you and they won't be wasted. If you have a particular project you want to do, plan it. Take everything out of that specific area, sort it, get rid of anything you no longer love or need, and put it back in a very methodical order that's a very useful order to you. Everybody has a different way of doing things, so it needs to be unique to you. I want to talk briefly, if you're organizing an area other than your freezers or refrigerators or pantries, if you come across something that was a gift, that was a gift. It was given to you. You can choose however you want to use it, not use it, or if you need to let go of it, it will be a gift again. So pass it on. That way that gift is given twice. If it's something sentimental and you don't have room for it, or you no longer feel like you want to hold on to it, take a picture of it. Let it go. Pass it on to another family member if they really, really want it. If they don't, donate it. Donate, donate, donate. After this is over, there are going to be a lot of people that need a lot of things. And now is a good time to clear things out of your own home to make ready for that wave of people who are going to need things. So use this energy The earth will tilt back on its axis and we will all be fine. But use this gift of time that you've never had before, you may never have again. Use it to your advantage. Be well. Have a great day.
I hope you guys enjoyed those tips from Miss Kay. Thank you, Kay, from the bottom of my heart for taking time out of your schedule to make that video for us and our friends. If you guys enjoyed this video, I need you to do me a huge favor. Can you please hit the like and subscribe button? You can also share YouTube videos to your Facebook, to your Instagram or your Twitter. We would greatly appreciate that. I know you can see the number of subscribers that we have. We need to reach 1,000 subscribers for YouTube to consider us a valid YouTube channel, and so we need your help to grow those numbers. We want to be here for you every single day, Monday through Friday. Our videos are going out at 10 o'clock right now in the morning because people are sleeping a little bit later than our usual 5:30 in the morning time. And so we will be right back here tomorrow with more helpful things for you to get through this negative time in a positive way. So until then, happy manifesting.